हमारे नए वीडियोस को देखने के लिए YouTube के ऐप पर बेल आइकन को क्लिक कीजिए।
If you're watching this video, the chances are you have already rooted your Android device and you're looking out for things to do on your rooted device. Now hear me out, rooting is useless unless you know how to use it. This will be exactly that. I'll be talking about the top 5 things which you must do after you root your Android device. Let's get started.
Check this.
Now the very first thing that you'll need to do after you root your Android device up is go ahead and install a custom recovery. Now what a custom recovery is? A custom recovery is basically a customized and a more advanced version of your phone recovery. Once you install that, you can do a lot more things on your Android device. Custom recovery allows you to install zip files, it allows you to flash custom ROMs on your phone, it allows you to wipe, manage and even format your phone's cache and partitions, and on top of that you can also create an Android backup, which means backing up your entire Android system. So it makes you very easy to switch between ROMs, etc. Without a custom recovery, you have to run to your computer every time you want to flash something or you want to install a custom ROM. So if you do not have a custom recovery, go ahead and install a custom recovery for your device. Some of the best custom recoveries out there are Clockwork Mod recovery and TWRP recovery. The second thing that you should try on a rooted Android device is installing a custom ROM. Now custom ROMs are the sole reason why 50% of people root their Android device in the first case. Now custom ROMs are basically a customized or advanced, more featured version of Android operating system. Your stock Android which you're running on your device is taken and it's modified, more features are added, useless features are removed, bloatwares are removed. So basically a custom ROM is a faster version, a better version and a better looking version of your Android operating system. Now say for instance, my device is running Android version 5.0 with a stock TouchWiz UI. I don't like the TouchWiz UI, but by default I cannot remove it. But I can just go ahead and install a custom ROM on my rooted device and I can have a vanilla version of Android. So that's the power your custom ROM gives to your device. It makes your device faster, smoother and overall you get a better experience of Android. The third thing in my list which you should do after rooting your Android device up is delete those bloatwares. Now bloatwares are apps that came pre-installed on your Android device by the manufacturer which you do not even use and they keep on running in the background all the time, eating up your phone memory, your phone resources and also depleting your phone's battery. But it's very easy to get rid of them. Once your device is rooted, just download any bloatware removing app from the Play Store and you can remove any bloatware that is running on your phone permanently. After deleting those bloatwares from your Android device, you'll see a significant improvement in your phone's battery life, performance, and it'll also free up a lot of internal memory. The fourth thing which you should try after rooting your device up is increase your device internal memory. A major problem which a lot of people face usually with devices which are old or devices which have a lot of apps on it is lack of internal storage, and since apps cannot be moved from internal memory to external memory, most of them, this problem just elevates. So after installing a couple of apps, say Facebook or Chrome, which takes up a lot of space, your internal memory is almost full and you can no longer install any new app and forget about installing huge games on it. One thing that you can do is that you can swap your external memory as internal memory so that you fool your phone into thinking that your external storage is actually your internal storage, so you get unlimited free space. Because on my older devices, the internal storage was only 300 MB to 1 GB and there was no way I could install huge games like GTA or NFS. So I rooted my devices and I swapped the memory, now I have unlimited space. The fifth and the last thing which you should definitely try out with a rooted Android device is customization and tweaks. You will not believe it when I say this, but your device has thousands of customizable options and tweaks waiting for it. You can definitely go ahead and install a custom ROM on your device. You'll get a better tweaked version of Android, but if you want to try it out yourself, if you want to tweak your device yourself, if you want to see how better your device can get, you should download the ROM toolkit from Play Store. It's a free app which has a lot of customization and tweaks for the Android device. It literally has hundreds of different tweaks for your device, starting from you can change the font of your device, you can change where your device behave, you can change the way your animation moves, you can change your way your icons look, you can change the volume limit, you can increase the Wi-Fi range, you can increase and decrease the speed of your phone, you can save battery, etc, etc. The sky is the limit when it comes to tweaking and customizing your Android device. You can change every aspect of your Android device, the aesthetics, the feel, the look. And so if you have a rooted device, I'll definitely suggest you to go ahead and check out apps which can tweak your device and probably get 100% out of your Android device. But before you tweak, make sure that you have an Android backup, so if anything goes wrong, you'll be back to normal. And that's about it. Those are my top 5 things you should do after you root your Android device.